What's up, fam? My name is Preston and welcome back with another... What's up, fam? I am back with another video, and this week I am doing some baking for y'all, and I'm with my homie Meilani.
Hi.
And today we're gonna bake some macaroons.
Macarons.
Tomato, bro.
No, there's literally a difference.
Really?
Yes, macaroons are those piles of coconut that people like to eat. You usually see them like dipped in chocolate. They're like cookies as well. But macarons are the actual French dessert that people are usually talking about, the sandwich ones.
And so today we're gonna be baking, and mind you, I've never baked in my life. Actually, well, I've baked before, but not like seriously, you know, fam. Like, I don't bake by myself. Like, I was gonna actually make a baking video by myself. I wasn't gonna make no macaroons, but I was gonna do like, I don't know, cupcakes, brownies, but I figured I should probably practice first before I set the house on fire. Okay, so we're gonna get started. Hopefully we have everything.
Okay, so macarons, you just need 4 basic ingredients. You need powdered sugar, egg whites, what the fuck else? Almond flour, and regular sugar. So first what we're going to do is we are going to get our egg whites ready, but before we can do that we need to make
Question.
sure. Yes.
What are egg whites?
Eggs
Just
without
eggs.
the yolk.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the white of the egg.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, here I have my scale. And so, I'm gonna move this. So 100 grams, that's usually about the egg whites from 3 large eggs. So here we have our eggs. Yeah. So. Oh, do you know how to separate
Whoa, she got some yolk on there.
it? The yolk didn't break. Alright.
Wait, what is... Oh, I don't know how to do that.
If you, okay, wait, but if you get yolk in there, it's not gonna whip up.
Yeah, this is a job for you, I think. I cracked it.
Why'd you crack it so weird?
It's how I cracked, bro. I can't help it.
But if you get yolk in there, it's not gonna whip up. It's okay, you guys.
It out? A spoon?
Take it out. Our hands are clean. We just washed them.
I don't know why I made that noise.
Oh, I broke one in there.
You can still grab it.
No, because if you like it really won't work like this. Oh fuck. This has never happened to me before. We gotta start over.
So we're gonna do take 2. First one was a fail, but you know, this is the delicate part of macaron making, you know?
Alright, take 2. You know, the odds are just not in our favor today.
Honestly. When is it ever?
You're right. I'm fucking done, Preston.
Hopefully this is the time, guys. Or else, if not, I'm giving up and we're going to La Tour Cafe. What kind of macarons are we making, by the way?
So the cookie structure is just like a basic recipe, but we're putting like a strawberry cream like filling, so that should be cool.
Okay, 2 down, 1 more to go. Crossing my fingers. This looks like that spider massage thing that you put on your head and go.
It's called a whisk, Preston.
Yeah. Oh yeah, lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Alright, so we're gonna pour in our egg whites. So we're gonna put that aside for now.
Put it to the side.
Yes, and then we are going to prepare our dry ingredients. So here's the powdered sugar. Here's the almond flour. I bought this huge thing from Costco and it was only like $6 or $8 and I was shook because you see how big this bag is? So then you need, what is it, like 200 grams of powdered sugar? Let me check my recipe. Do you want it just 200?
200 grams? How much is that gonna be, do you think? Like a lot? Like this much?
No, like a lot more.
Wow.
23. And then we need 110 grams of this stuff. Would you like to do that? Would you like me to do that?
You can do it.
Okay.
Add my fun. 50 grams of sugar?
Yes.
Okay.
All right. So you can go on do that thing, because that one's, yeah. So we're both gonna just be mixing this. I'll start on this one. Stiff peas.
Wow.
And so now what we're going to do is do you want to make these colored macarons or keep them like their usual color?
We love a good color. We ain't just black and white here.
So here's our stiff peas, and we're just folding in the color. Not too much, just because we don't want to lose too much air, but just enough so it, you know, kind of gets a little bit everywhere. Get a good slap. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this, our almond sugar. Oh wait, I'm gonna go first. Take this, and we're gonna pour in about a third of it into our egg whites.
A third.
Nothing is, exact though. So, and then we are going to slowly fold this in. Right, and then we'll put in the rest.
We put the thing in it and we go.
Yeah.
I have the dipped ones.
Dipped?
Yeah. Like this.
So this is yours. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pick it up. Oh, here, I'll just pick it for you. Take it up. And then it's ready. You're gonna twist it. And then you just start making little things.
Oh, can you guys see that?
And then when you're done with that, what you're gonna wanna do
Oh my god, bro. I'm doing really bad.
And then you let them sit for about 30 minutes.
30 minutes?
Yeah, until they form their skin, and because we live in Hawaii, it takes a little bit longer.
The macaroons are ready to be put in the oven. Spoiler alert, we made a few first to see how they would come out, and they look amazing, so we're excited for these. This is mine, obviously. That's Meilani's.
Yeah.
Yep. So we're gonna put it in the oven, fam. What do we need to heat the oven at when we put it in?
It really depends. That's why I did that first batch, because every oven varies in, you know, heat and where the heat is coming from. You also want to experiment with the different levels that you can put your macarons at. But I usually go for 290. 290 is a pretty good heat for me.
Okay.
If they're rising too quickly, if they get a little bit like brown on the top but not really cooked on the bottom, then maybe change the level or turn down the heat. Yeah, just gotta experiment with what you got.
Yeah, lit. So right here, this is the strawberry part of the frosting that Meilani made. We didn't show us making the frosting because, you know, it's some basic stuff.
Yeah.
As far as she said, and probably not basic for me, but yeah, that's the strawberry that we're putting it because it's a strawberry filling, right?
Yep.
So how long does it usually take? Like, I know it depends. Yeah, like
Usually,
like for it to heat up, I mean.
About, to heat up?
Yeah, like to get good.
To bake properly?
Yeah.
Like 15 to 25 minutes.
Number 2, boys. Let's go. Okay, so now we're gonna actually put the frosting between the two and put the two together. So Meilani's gonna frost and I'm gonna sandwich. So we got a team going on. So you put 2 and 2 together, literally. Oh, wow. And are you supposed to just let it sit?
Yep.
It looks so nice. Look at that. Wow. Okay, so we're gonna taste the macaroon now, the finished product. You can go first, bro. Oh, she thick.
It's good. It's coming out just fine. Here you go.
I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna like it, bro. I don't like strawberry. Okay.
Oh no. Yeah, she needs 24 hours in the fridge.
It's pretty good. I'm just not a really big strawberry fan. So, but it's definitely good. The actual cookie part is like really good, and that's like the main thing, you know? So we did a very good job, I think. Okay, thanks Meilani for sharing me your macaroon knowledge and making us some macaroons today. This is basically just me watching you bake, but you know, I was taking some mental notes, bro.
Yeah.
So if you guys like this video, make sure you leave a like and comment down below what I should cook or bake next, because this is pretty fun. So make sure you hit that like button, comment down below, and if you want to see more videos of me, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because I post videos every week, fam.
Every week, bro.
Every week. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Shoots.